Rhinos are armor-plated puppies, and I'm tired of y'all acting like they're not.
If that means Jane, step back, please.
What are those?
Thank you. 여기요.
One more word, and I will feed you to my children. I'm kidding, we are vegetarians.
Just bury me in the ocean with my ancestors that jumped from the ships. Because they knew death was better than bondage.
The first Black Panther, the protector of Wakanda.
You got a mixtape coming out?
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Actually, there is one. Yeah, I'll send you the SoundCloud link if you like.
Did he freeze? Like an antelope in headlights.